Are you struggling to stand out in the industry? One of the most effective ways to improve your business is by conducting a SWOT analysis. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze your competitor's strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats so you can take your business to the next level. My name is Tony, certified in product marketing with a decade of experience helping you maximize sales, branding, and engagement. So let's start with the basic. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. It's a method that helps organizations focus on critical issues. It allows you to understand the marketplace better, identify business trends, and discover successful strategies others use. This information is essential for your strategic planning and decision making. Did you know top competitors use SWOT analysis to raise to success? Take Apple, for example. They consistently monitor competitors like Samsung and Microsoft, helping them innovate, stay relevant, and maintain their position as a market leader. And when we apply this tool to evaluate our competitors, it becomes a powerful instrument to stay ahead of the business game. So let's get started. Step 1, identify top competitors. So this task might seem straightforward, but it's actually more complex than it sounds. Your competitors are more than just business offering similar products or services in your immediate facility. So let's break this down, right? Suppose you own an Italian restaurant in New York City. Your competitors are not just Italian restaurants in the city, but all restaurants that potential customers might consider as alternatives. Moreover, your competitors are open to more than just one of your geographic area in today's digital world. In addition to your physical restaurant, you sell an assortment of packages, gourmet portion of pastas online. It's a weird example, but it just shows you that the competitors will include local markets, grocery stores, and e-commerce sites that sell similar products, potentially worldwide. When identifying your competitors, consider all the possible alternatives your customers might have. Remember, knowing your competition is key to understanding your market. It helps you determine what sets your business apart and identify areas where you can improve. Before moving on to step 2, there's an important task you need to complete. You need to conduct a SWOT analysis for your own business. Knowing yourself is just as important as knowing your competitors. So let's dive into this one. Start with the strength. Out of everything you listed in your competitors' Intel worksheet, what do you do better than your competitors? What distinguishes you from the crowd? Is it industry-leading webinars that garner a high level of engagement? It may be your skilled staff or a superior mobile app, or it could be the traction you have gained with customers. Consider all these points. Next, tackle your weakness. Every customer has weaknesses. Being honest about them is important. Do you lag behind your competitors in any areas? It could be customer service, wait time, or poor SEO ranking. A tip here, when working through your strength and weakness, consider perceived strength and weakness. Let's move on to opportunities. What trends or untapped markets are emerging based on your competitor or customer research? This could be a new feature or market, press opportunities, or in areas of business that can be optimized to capitalize on any opportunities. Always keep an eye on the horizon for opportunities that may arise. Finally, identify the threats. What factors could jeopardize your success either right now or in the future? Are new competitors entering the market? Is there a change in regulations? The emergence of new technology? A shift in customer needs? So many questions that you should ask yourself on what could be perceived as threats. There may be areas where customers' servicing costs can suddenly just spike. And that's how you conduct a SWOT analysis for your own business. Remember, having a clear understanding of your business strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats will provide you with a solid foundation to conduct a meaningful analysis of your competitors. Real quick, level up your marketing expertise. Hit that subscribe button to help the channel grow and empower others for success. So I really appreciate it. Now let's move on to step 2 of doing a SWOT analysis for each competitor. Look at the branding, customer service, product innovation, etc. For instance, one of your competitors is a larger coffee chain. Their strengths include a broad global presence, a well-established brand, and a vast menu catering to various tastes. Next, identify their weakness. Where do they fall short? Is it pricing, customer complaints, or perhaps outdated technology? Continue our coffee shop example, the larger chain weaknesses might be higher price, less personalized customer service due to its size, or a lack of unique, locally sourced products. Remember that weakness can also include areas where your business is particularly strong. If your coffee shop sources are ethical, locally roasted beans, and your competitor does not, that's a weakness for them and a strength for you. It's crucial to remember that this analysis must be conducted for each competitor individually, as every business has its own unique characteristics and strategic approach. Be thorough and honest in your analysis. The more accurate it is, the more useful it would be to guiding your business strategy. Moving on to step 3, identify the opportunities and threats. Opportunities are areas where you can leverage your strength against your competitor's weakness, and threats are areas where the strength could undermine your business. Think of opportunities as openings in the marketplace that you can capitalize on. Using our coffee shop example, an option could be a growing trend towards sustainable sourced products, which you could exploit if your coffee shop already sources ethical, locally roasted beans and your larger competitors does not. On the flip side, threats could emerge from your competitor's strength. If the larger coffee chain we discussed earlier decides to launch a major marketing campaign in your area, this could threaten your business, especially if they have a much larger marketing resources. But remember, threats can also come from changes in the market or industry. For instance, new regulations on coffee bean import can increase your costs, or a change in a customer behavior could impact your business. Always watch out for emerging trends and industry shift, which could present opportunities or threats. And that's it for step 3. Remember, this is a vital part of the analysis as it helps you stay proactive and ready to adapt to the changing business environment. If you find this content valuable, tap that like button to help others discover this video and comment below to foster a growth-oriented community. Thank you. Finally, we have step 4. Use this information to your business strategy. The goal here is to capitalize on opportunities, mitigate threats, bid on your strength, and address your weaknesses. For example, let's consider our coffee shop scenario. We identified that one opportunity was the growing trend towards sustainable sourced product. To capitalize on this opportunity, you could create a marketing campaign highlighting your ethical sourced coffee, engaging customers who are conscious about where their coffee comes from. Simultaneously, to mitigate threats, you would need a proactive strategy. If the larger chain is planning a marketing blitz in your area, you can organize community events and loyalty programs or partner with other local businesses to maintain your customer base and keep them engaged. To build on your strength, consider what makes your business unique and how to enhance these elements. If one of your strengths is a cozy atmosphere and personal service, consider ways to improve your customer experience, like hosting live music nights or introducing a personalized ordering system. Addressing weakness is also crucial. If your menu could be more varied than your competitors, consider introducing new products or rotating special items to keep your menu fresh or exciting. Remember, the SWOT analysis aims to inform your decision-making and strategic planning. The insights you gain should be used to build a robust business strategy that positions you for success and growth in your marketplace. That's how you use SWOT analysis to develop your business strategy. This isn't a one-time thing. You should be regularly updating your analysis to keep your strategy sharp and on top. Now that you know how to conduct one, it's time to implement it. Here's your checklist of action items. List your competitors. Focus on something other than those nearby. Remember, competitors are in the digital world as well. Conduct a SWOT analysis for each competitor. Identify their strength, weakness, and be honest in your evaluation. Identify opportunities and threats in your marketplace. Keep an eye on industry trends and market shifts. Use this information to develop and refine your business strategy. Capitalize on opportunities, mitigate threats, build on your strength, address weaknesses. And most importantly, review and update regularly. The business landscape evolves and staying up to date will keep your strategy sharp. That's your action plan. It's time to get ahead of your competitors and leverage your unique strength. Thanks for making it this far. I'm Tony from Product Success Academy, helping you maximize sales, branding, and engagement. If you enjoyed this video, check out this other one I picked just for you. It's sure to provide more insights and tips. I'll see you there.